हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे करप्शन पर। मैं आपके साथ ये ऐसे 500 वर्ड्स के साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Corruption is a slow poison which kills the constitution, the society and economy of developing nations. Corruption in simple words is when a person in power decides to misuse his her power in making money for himself and herself. In India, corruption is increasing day by day. One of the main reasons increasing relationships between officers and politicians with criminals who are weakening the country. Corruption is prevalent in every field like hospital, education, jobs, government officer. Nothing has remained untouched by corruption. Today, everything is a business and source of making money in the wrong way. Even education institutions are also involved in this. They give the seat of those who pay for it. They have no meaning with the meritorious student, although underachieve a student get the seat in top university while and meritorious students are left behind in life due to lack of money, hence study in a normal college. Many causes of corruption in India are greed for money and the thirst of earning more money make a man choose the wrong path to get their goals. So they bribe and become corrupt. Insufficient salaries are also a reason of corruption because government employees get low salary as compared to private sector employees. So they have to find wrong way to earn extra money. Most individually in India, people do not know their powers as a citizen and they do not know how to system works, so they find themselves helpless that they have to bribe to get their work done. So literacy is also reason for corruption. Today everyone is in hurry that they do not want to wait for their work to be done, hence they bribe their officers to get their things done fast. Therefore being impatient is also making our nation corrupt. Many corrupt politicians are using their illegal money or black money by investing them to their own or someone else's business to make it white. CCTV cameras must be installed at workplace. Strict punishment should be given to the guilty. People can also take initiative to record any corrupt practice going around them in their mobile and share it in their nearby police station. We should take it as responsibility to always follow the right course of action to get our work done and should not indulge in bribing for speed disposal of work. The government must take proper measures to keep inflation low due to rise in prices. Many people feel their incomes to be low and their purchasing power lower, which motivates them to indulge in corruption. Thus, government should make sure that the employee get the proper amount of salary. Corruption is eating our world from inside. We need to stop corruption and bribing to make a country developed more quickly. We should protect our nation before it get demolished by the dishonest politicians and officers. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।